Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where we talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me. Smash, it'll take 2 seconds. Trying to get a like spike going. I need 1,000 likes. I need 1,000 likes a video. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to help you every day. I'm going to talk to you about the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin ideas and setups to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 15,618. So Bitcoin essentially ran up to about 16,000 and pulled back slightly. Now, this is the weekly chart. These targets still completely valid. 16,250 overhead resistance, 17,200, and this is just the conservative measured move target of 18,800, which we've been talking about since, Bitcoin was potentially back here, probably even here as well, okay? And so again, great to see Bitcoin breaking higher. Now the question is, what's Bitcoin going to do next? This is an hourly chart. You've got some hidden bullish divergence, which it's a continuation idea, a trend continuation idea. This is a parabola. These parabolas end with a huge blow off top, okay, typically. So normally you get this parabolic exponential run up, like this huge spike, essentially like this could have been, but you didn't get that pullback. And so if we'll look at some of these, so let's say right here, where Bitcoin ran up to 14,000. You see this huge long wick? Why is the wick so long? Because the price ran up here and then it retraced. So again, the question is this going to continue? This is kind of bull flag-esque, possibly Bitcoin's forming this range here, and it needs to cool off, right? These indicators, the RSI was very overbought, had a double top. Right now, the stochastic is headed higher, and you can see Bitcoin slowly moving higher after it put in a retest of this support level down here at about 15,150. We'll zoom way in. 15-minute chart. Don't get stuck on these small time frames. But listen, you got this small kind of bull flag-ish type pattern. Again, you had a double bottom play out. And again, we're just looking at this range right here between 16,000 and 15,300. Okay, this breaks lower. Next stop is, 14,800-ish. It wouldn't be the worst thing in the world if Bitcoin pulled back to 14,000 because all the buyers are sitting right here, right? This would test this level as support. This would be very bullish because then you're looking for upside continuation. However, again, this parabolic upside most of the time ends with a huge blow off top, a huge wick, right? It hasn't happened yet. So again, this would be kind of a cooling off period for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This market's been amazing and we've been killing it. This person basically reached out and said, thanks for the support, CBC. I can't thank you enough. what I've learned from your material and your videos is priceless, and it is. Like, this is not hard. I got 4,000 people in the group plus, and they're all new traders. And this person posted 122%, 192%, 200%, 187%, 380%, 73%. This person said, I doubled my margin wallet in one day. This person, when he came into the group, I had to put him in a brotherly headlock and make him watch the videos, and he's taken off. Like, you watch the videos, you trade the setups, you make tons of money. This person said, I closed a trade with 540% profit. Next person stated, I placed 3 trades on alts. I had a decent day today. I made $4,256 today. And then I closed the trades. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net, for all the information. If you previously emailed me, the wallet addresses that I sent you have been updated. So again, before you send crypto payments, go to cryptorev.net for the correct new updated deposit addresses. Let's make some money. This person, this is a nice setup. Somebody was like, hey, Chris, is that yours? And I need to step mine up with some like glowy lights and all kinds. This guy's got a nice whiteboard. Like, this is a business. He's got multiple screens to look at. He's got his trading ideas, his patterns up here as well. You got to get organized. This is a business. Have a trading station. If you're trading on your phone in bed, right, you're trying to take other people's money. This guy is going to win, right? This guy is going to win because he's organized. You can write down. We have a ton of news coming. You got all the quarterly roadmaps coming up. Tons of news coming. That's when these altcoins really take off as far as an alt season goes. We'll talk about that in just a second as well. This is Ethereum trade I talked to you guys about. Listen, hope you guys, I posted this idea, this setup for you guys. Not this exact one, but one after this already broke out. So I bought down here at support. Tendency to buy at support. I didn't know that Ethereum 2 was going to be announced, and that obviously helped this skyrocket. But then after Ethereum 2 was announced, I posted the trade setup in group right about here and talked to you guys about it as well. Okay, at the end of a video, I talked to you guys about it here, right? So it ran from 400, it's at 456. Ethereum 2.0 is going to be huge, and I'm going to go over some news with you guys throughout the video about Ethereum, so you want to pay attention. Staking is coming. People need 32 Ethereum to stake, right? People need a bunch they're buying Ethereum. It's that simple. I was watching some election news, and apparently they're working on gathering the last few of the ballots, I think out in Arizona. So they have this employee pictured. She kind of looks familiar, just dropping off the rest of the ballots. Dude, I saw this, and I just had to laugh. Just dropping off the ballots. Listen, that election, shenanigans. I'm just ready for it to be over, right? There was some uncertainty about it. Let's just move on. Vitalik Buterin leads by example. He stakes $1 million US in Ethereum. Put up or shut up, period. $1 million Ethereum staking. Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, and they have Ethereum Trust. They came out and they said, we've seen the largest ever weekly inflow. This is an easy way for institutions to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's skyrocketing. Price of Bitcoin is going to skyrocket over the next year. Ethereum, gosh, 800 completely in the cards. It's going to be interesting to see where Ethereum ends up. But again, amazing upside in this market. Pullbacks are going to happen. It's going to be part of it. But the best part is your lows are going to be higher than the previous low. This is a heat map, and you can see all the sellers are stacked right here. It's 16,000. You got some at 16,200, 16,500. Okay, so again, if you look over here, you see you got 212 Bitcoin being sold, 153 Bitcoin stacked right there. So you go through here in the order books, and you can see where they're selling Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance. This is the money maker for altcoins. I talk about it all the time. We used to get excited over the last month or two about these little green boxes because this is when altcoins would take off. Little pullback. Have a day or two of little coins to trade. A day or two of coins to trade, right? Now look at this huge pullback by Bitcoin dominance. What does this mean, Chris? Why are you talking about Bitcoin dominance all the time? Dude, look at what happened on Binance. 74%, 61%, 45, 43, 40, 37, 35, 31, 30, 30, 27, 27. Should I keep going? 24, 24, 23, 23, 23. And I had all these people hit me up like freaking out, like, how do I get into Bitcoin? How do I get into Bitcoin? That's awesome. You know, Bitcoin had a 50% increase over. Some of these altcoins did it in a day. This is where I like to make my money. Jump in, jump out. Midterm holds are going to come. Those are easy. Buy and hold for 3 to 5 weeks. 30 to 50% gains. Okay, but what's happening, we have to wait on Bitcoin dominance to trend lower, and it has. Like, Bitcoin dominance just dropped about 1.5%, and these things have been on fire today. Throw money at any altcoin, you're making money, essentially. Okay, but what's important, and we talked about this idea, is this was an epic 3-month altcoin season. Okay, and this essentially looks like a rejection of this overhead resistance, this trend line right here. Okay, and so if that's the case, I mean, are we in for this type of altcoin run? We've got tons of bearish ideas down here on the indicators. You know, so when Bitcoin pulls back or goes sideways for an extended period of time, money flows into these altcoins like crazy. Altcoins have been decimated, and they've clearly been running. So now this can change if Bitcoin takes off. You know, Bitcoin dominance, money flows back into the Bitcoin. People take altcoin profits and dump it back into Bitcoin. This is a total market cap of all the altcoins in 4 days. 4 days, Moon Edition. Look at this, Moon Edition. Are you serious? Moon Edition. Notice how similar this looks to Ethereum, okay? Because Ethereum is such a large market cap altcoin, right? And so all the altcoins combined together gained about $20 billion in 4 days. That's huge. U.S. voting is over, but near zero interest rates and inflation are here to stay. And so they're just talking about this flagrant, they called it, money printing. It's begun. It's a tough habit to break. They just keep printing money. And you see the stock market over this U.S. voting is over. Like, it cooled off. It didn't get wrecked like everybody talked about. U.S. voting over, but near zero interest rates and inflation are here to stay. They just keep printing money. Like, this article says it's flagrant money printing. Once it's begun, it's a tough habit to break. Like, they keep pumping money into the market. Well, guess what else? Tether is pumping the market too. There's a $17 billion market cap on Tether right now. $17 billion. 17. Huge. Imagine if some of this money flows into crypto. Life-changing money. Bitcoin supply crisis. How institutions are creating Bitcoin scarcity. This is the main focus of this video. They are going to continue to buy and accumulate Bitcoin. Like, it's great to add to your portfolio as a institution. I mean, the upside is now. It's the next year, like we talked about, after the last election, the year after that, you saw about a 3,000% price increase in Bitcoin. Okay, so these institutions, right now they hold 3.86% of all the Bitcoins in supply. So they could create a supply crisis. This is going to drive the crypto markets higher. Remember, money comes into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, and then trickles down into the small caps. Life-changing money is coming based on this idea. Also, you have people, this is going to be hot now, where everybody's like rolling over their stocks into IRAs, like crypto IRAs, right? So, again, you just have this huge inflow of money coming into the market. And we've been waiting for this. It's been a long road, but I'm so excited for the amount of upside. These altcoins, Bitcoin dominance continues lower. They will take off. Life-changing money is made faster and easier in the altcoins. Put some news behind a good setup. We trade them every day. It's awesome. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.